Becca, you played that boy.
Alright, so hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Kelci, back with another video. So today in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to apply strip lashes for beginners. I'm gonna make my intro short and quick. The lashes in the video today I'm gonna be applying are from So Free on AliExpress. No, this video is not sponsored, but these are the lashes I want to put on. Yeah, and this is in the style E13. I can link them down below if y'all want me to. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So you know, when you apply your lashes, make sure you have your lashes, an applicator or some tweezers. I personally use an applicator because they're easier to use. If you're wondering where I got the applicator from, these are the applicators that I am selling for $1. If you're interested, you can follow me on my business Instagram at kpddollhouse, and you can DM me and let me know that you want one, and I will be happy to see you one. And next, you want to have a mirror. It can be any mirror. This is actually a foundation thing from MAC, but it has a mirror in it, so that's what I use. Alright, first off, you want to trim your eyelashes before you put them on, or they're not gonna look right, they're too long. So mine are already trimmed, but the tip that some people may not know, but most people probably already know it already, when you put on your eyelashes, like when you get ready to trim them, make sure you trim from like the outside of the eyelash and like not the inner corner, because the inner corner is already short for a reason, because you don't want them to be long and it's poking like the inside of your eye. So you always trim from the outside. Like when I first started wearing lashes, I didn't know that, and like I ended up messing up like one pair of my lashes because I trimmed the inside and not the outside. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my lashes. I just want to show y'all the lashes real quick. Like, they're like really wispy, as you can see. I'm gonna take my applicator, and I'm gonna kind of like take the applicator and hold it kind of near the lash band, but not too close. Like, you just want it close to the lash band as possible, so it's easier to put them on your eye. So after I have the lash on my applicator, I take my lash glue and I just put some on there. If you're wondering what lash glue I use, this is the Ardell lash grip glue. I personally don't use hair glue because I just don't want to. So lash glue works fine for me. So, and it does dry clear, if you're wondering. I got my glue on there. You probably can't see it that much, but I got it on there. I'm gonna take my mirror. So while this is drying for about a couple of seconds, I'm gonna show y'all how I hold the mirror when I put on my lashes. So you wanna have the mirror kind of like down, so you can see your lash line and see where you need to apply your lash, because you want your eyelash to be on your lash line as close as possible. So okay, so we got to dry a little bit. You don't want it to completely dry because it's not gonna stick right. It's still, you still kind of want it to be wet a little bit, so like it'll be like a little bit more tacky, I guess. I don't know. So we hold our mirror down. Okay, I got interrupted because somebody was calling me, but we want to hold our mirror down, and you want to look down so it's easier to see where your lash line is, and you want to apply it close to your lash line as possible. So yeah, I don't push it on there because you don't want to do that. So after that, I take my fingers and fix as much as possible. You don't want to see any gaps or anything. And then what I also like to do, I push my eyelash and the eyelashes together. So make sure it's actually on there. Like now I'm at the point where I can just apply lashes without the applicator. But you know, practice makes perfect. I say start with tweezers or an applicator. Applicators are way easier because it kind of like fits with your eye, you know what I'm saying? So alright, I'm gonna apply the other one, but this time I'm gonna speed it up and let y'all see how I do it. Alright, I got both of my lashes on, as you can see. And just like that, like I said, if you get an applicator, they're so much easier to use. Even tweezers, I mean, you can use tweezers, but I say applicators are the best because they're round and they're made to fit your eye. So that is it, and that is how I apply my lashes. Let me know what y'all think about them. I like them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave down video requests in the comments below so I can have more video ideas. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough. I feel that boy, girl, true enough. I ain't hearing that boy immature.